Afternoon, John Ozzy, AudaCity Capital, Head of Training and Development. Today we're looking at the account of one of our traders, Munish. Munish has been trading with us from the 9th of February 2021 up until the present day of 15th of March 2021. This trader has maintained a steady equity curve and at a point of time of trading with us for just over a month and 2 weeks, we can see this trader has grown from the 9th of February at 0.02% to a maximum of 10%, which was the first target of 30,000 US dollars. And now we dropped down to about 6.53%. But overall, we've been successful in achieving the goal of the first 10%. So let's have a look at the drawdown. This trader experienced a bad drawdown of 2.81% of the initial capital on the 1st of March. Then on the 12th of March, 2.99%, and on the 15th of March, which is today, 3.16%. Overall, we're still preserving the balance, which is the most important key thing here, preserving the balance. So coming down now, looking at the advanced analytics of the trading account, we've traded 120 times. The trader has been successful 74 times out of 120 times, which represents 62%. And the trader has lost 46 out of the 120 trade, which represents 38%. So overall, this trader is 62% profitable with the strategy that he is using. So looking at the strategy now is one thing, but discipline and consistency is a key theme here, preserving the balance and hitting the goals. So let's have a look at the trades now this trader has taken to hit the target. This trader has traded quite a few instruments from the Australian dollar down to the US dollar yen with a few cross pairs in between. But the key thing we can observe is a few of the trades have been having deficits. But if we look at the other trades now, we have significant gains. The best pair that's been traded has been the pound US dollar, followed by the pound AUD, then followed by Euro Australian dollar. So Euro Australian dollar and the pound US dollar and the pound AUD have been the best trades to date. And these pairs have helped this trader hit 10%, and the rest have helped the trader diversify with the losses have been balanced out with the earnings. And this has helped the trader get to this level of 10%. So going forward, I can only recommend this trader focuses on the pairs that serve the trading plan justice and profitability. And those pairs, from what I can see, are the pound US dollar, the euro AUD, and the pound AUD. So, and if you look at on the left hand side, this trader is more dominant going long than going short. So we can see a total of 4 trades on the long side. And if we look at the pound US dollar, we have the opposite. We have 33 short trades that's brought $290. So some sides the trader is dominant and the other side the trader is less dominant. But overall, we want to see the big picture of the gain. And looking at the month that, the trader's been with us, February there was no activity to a certain, I mean, there was activity which we have 7.18%. March, the current date where we are right now, we're just down by 0.6%. So overall, we can see positive growth. So this trader is just starting the journey, but we still got a little bit of work to do. So we're just in profit by $553.59 at present. So this trader needs to find an extra 2,487 pips to hit the next level of 60,000 US dollars. And I'm very confident this trader can do this, but please maintain discipline and consistency. Take low risk, high reward trades. Focus on the market sentiment, money management, your lot sizes, and at the end of the day, I guarantee you're going to be successful no matter what you do. You have 123 trades to your belt history, and as we can see, we've got various losses and gains if we go through the P&L. But overall, this is what we want to see, consistency. Losses and gains, but the gains outshadow the losses. That's the most important takeaway from here. You can be right or wrong, but always be profitable if you have good money management and you manage risk appropriately.